call upon our captain, Thando, for the Lions. Come here. Hi Thando, how did you feel and how did you see the match?
You see, those boys played very well, and I like to congratulate their skipper for the 2 skippers. And the 2 skippers, you see the 3 skippers, and you see the 4 skippers, and the 7 skippers, and the 5. I like to call my co-manager here.
Okay, I heard you saying that you saw one of the players wearing orange shoes, but they were pink. What's the comment on that?
I think the commentator is colorblind, you see, because I saw that they're wearing a pink tikis, they call them tikis in the auction, yes.
Alright, no, thank you very much. On my left, it's the captain for the Titans, Thando. Like, okay, tell me, Kel, how did you see the match so far?
The match was not for the 1 skipper, but for the 5 skippers.
Alright, if it wasn't for the 5 skippers and was for the 4 skippers, who are those 4 skippers?
Number 69, number 2.
Alright, no, thank you very much. See the captain is overwhelmed. You know what? Here is our man of the match, and I would like to call upon Mr. Katerem Kunu. Mr. Katerem Kunu. What would you say about the match which was played today?
Is this a check?
This is a check of 5,000. Awarding from YouTube Observer. From YouTube Observer. Like, okay.
I want to see YouTube Observer. There's no YouTube Observer. Because.
Alright. What's your comment on this?
I think the game was very nice. Even though some people think they saw pink tikis, although they were orange. But I think the game was very nice. Thank you for the 5 skippers.
Alright.
Yay!
For me, Musa, signing out. Thank you to the cameraman, to the brothers. We'd like to say, holla back. YouTube Observer, signing out. What's up?